using Sod Solutions to determine square footage and area. Sod Solutions is readily available online. It has an extensive location database. It has drill down capability. You've heard all of these things before. And it provides all of these things because it's also using Google Maps as its back end. So everything that Google Maps is able to do, Sod Solutions is going to be able to do it as well. It is slightly more challenging to use, but it provides a lot more capability. Specifically, you have the ability to track multiple areas at the same time, and these multiple areas are automatically totaled up and distinct in their calculated values. So this is the most sophisticated solution of the four that we're reviewing today. Let's take a look in the walkthrough. Go to sodsolutions.com. At the top of the page, go to the For the Pros link. And then on the page that comes up after that, go to Launch Tool. In the search bar, our area of interest is going to be the Kansas Governor's Mansion. When that comes up, we want to arrange it using the zoom function to maximize the space for the area. Next, we're going to create the overlay. There are several tools we can use, but we're going to use the Create Overlay tool to map out individual sections. And we have 3 sections identified that we want to map out. And we do those by simply left-clicking in succession each perimeter point. And as you can see, it automatically gives you a visual representation of the area that you're mapping. If for some reason you need to remove a pin, you can't click the pins like in other maps. You have to go to the delete last point button to do that. Once done, just simply create another overlay, and the previous overlay completes itself, it finishes, and now you start with your new mapping, and you do the exact same thing going around the perimeter point in succession until that area is mapped out. And once that one is done, we go to Create Overlay again to do our last section, mapping it out as well. Now, these sections will remain distinct, and also we have the ability to see the total area covered in the information pane. As we finish this last one up, we have a couple of other things that we'd like to do. Let's give each one a meaningful name. So in the first overlay, we're going to go to the set name place here, and we're going to give it a friendly name, backyard, for this one. And we're also going to outline it in red by using the To From Cutout button, and we're going to hide the pins. And for each of the other sections, we're going to do the exact same thing. Give it a friendly name. This one's front yard, outline it in red, hitting the cutout button, and hide the pins. And then finally, for the last section, we're going to finish off giving it a friendly name, To From Cutout, hide pins. Now, all of the sections are outlined in red, and the area totals are in the information pane for each individual section and also in total. To wrap up, Google Maps and manual measurements have a definite place in my tool bag. But of the 4 methods we discussed for quickly determining exterior and outdoor square footage, Bing Maps and Sod Solutions are the preferred choices for most jobs for me. But your choices may be different based on your preferences and the job requirements. Good luck on your next project, and thanks for watching.